Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2022 Toyota Sienna equipped with the VMI Infloor manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp down. You'll first open up the door. You can then use this handle to pull the ramp out. So this ramp here is going to be 30 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 58 inches. In the middle, you will have the wheelchair user. Going on to the back, you will have a bench seat that will fit 3 people. And in the front, you will have passenger removable front seat. And this van here only has 64,000 miles. Go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You will use this handle to push the ramp in and close the door. Go ahead and check out the rear hatch. This one's going to have a backup camera. It also is a hybrid all-wheel drive trim. And in the back here, you will have room for some storage. And this one is going to come with a set of retractable straps. We also offer financing for all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off for a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and turn on the car. So this van here has 64,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. Here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and check out the engine.